All right, so we got the tines in here. I can feel it. Instructions. I might not need the instructions. Let's see what I can do. Nope. Goes in like that. Thread it on. Got your handle right here. That's good. Again, this is fairly easy, you guys. Gave you a screwdriver. You can adjust your handle. That goes there. Now you're not going to move. Twist this. Middle of the tine. So right there, there's a hole. You want to match up with your hole right there. All right, match, match. And then you have a screw. All right. And for the best part, it says it used DeWalt battery, 20 volts. If you come down here, you have 9 inches of tilling width, 7 inches of depth, and you have 48 steel tines. Brushless motor and DeWalt battery. I also have a knockoff battery, so that way you can see if it works with DeWalt and a knockoff battery. So this is one scenario. We are excavating, okay? This will be a patio. 600 watts, 400 RPM, 9 inches of width, 7 inches of depth, 48 tines going in. And it does its job. And it's lightweight. They don't actually have the weight on it, but it is lightweight, okay? Just believe what I say. This is definitely good if you're doing the garden. Again, you're getting 7 inches of depth. Not depth, but oh. And y'all fell. All right, you guys, right here, and going in. Remember, this thing goes to 7 inches. The thing with my ugly lawn is I have molehills and all types of stuff, and I want to actually redo all of this, and the perfect tool to use will be press the button, knock down the molehill. Hopefully I don't hit a mole. Now that we knocked down that hill, I can actually do some raking and level it back out, and then throw some seeds and try to do this all over again. So I will be doing that to most of this front yard, okay? Just showing y'all a sample. Those molehills, and then I'm gonna re-level the yard. Light scrapes. So this is definitely good if you want to scarify your lawn, because this, since the weight of it is so light, you can actually control it and do light scrapes on the top surface. See that? So you can be aggressive or you can be less aggressive. That's the beauty of this. Another molehill right here. And we have a knockoff battery. I'm gonna take the name brand off, knock off, and it works. And remember, you can adjust your handle. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.